So we could easily have an API service in a folder that is called services right here. We could call it data.service.js. And for the HTTP requests, we need to use a library called Axios. If you do not know what is Axios, I guess you should search about it in Google. Axios is actually a library that is used to have AJAX HTTP requests. And also, if you have some problems understanding what is AJAX, this is something that you need to understand quite well before going deeply into this course. What you could do now is import Axios. And we need to tell Axios what is the base URL that we're gonna use. So axios.defaults.base URL, and provide here the backend URL. Right now I will provide this hosted backend service that I have built before. Second thing that we could do is Axios could provide us with an interceptor, and this interceptor could help us clean up the response object that we have, because the response object could have a lot of metadata that we do not need to know about. So this could clean things up. So we could say axios.interceptors.response.use, and then if we got a response from the backend, we could just return the data. And if we've got an error, we could return a promise dot reject error dot response. Okay. And right here we could have our object of API service. And we will have several functions like login, like sign up, and we'll have also edit my profile, and get user. These are all the APIs that we're gonna use for now. So right now we could fill up this with axios.post users login, and we're gonna provide the item. Something similar we will use with sign up. And for editing the profile, we'll need to have a put, and we'll need to have the ID. So this is actually should be provided by the backend. And for the get user, we could return axios.get users and provide it with the ID. Okay, so that's it. Let us now try to use this sign up function inside this form. So we could call return API service dot sign up and send them the values that we have.